Did you get one?
I had one, but it flipped out. I'm trying to throw it by my legs.
Move them over there. There. Oh, there's the black one. There's the black one. You get him?
What? Wait, where's...
When you catch one, I'm going to take a picture.
Then I will do it really soon.
Okay.
Okay, I'm going to go back on my feet. We'll
You
start
did
like
better
this.
on your knees, but... Yeah, Jeremy, I don't know. He could just catch them left and right. Let me know when.
Oh, okay.
Oh, right there by your feet. Oh.
What? I'll see the black one. He's right following him right now. Felt him on that one. When they're all in one group?
Yeah,
that's
they're
when I
all
get
right
'em.
there by you. They're all right there by you. Oh. Nothing? Yet?
What did you
Patience.
ask me?
Well, when you catch a fish, I got to take a picture.
Oh, I have one.
You dropped it. Are they nibbling at your feet?
What?
Are they nibbling at your
Yes,
feet?
they are.
Well, why don't you? Okay, quietly. You have to do it quietly. Get down on your knees and wait for them just to come by. Look at all of them. They're all over. There's about 50 or 60 fish in there.
Oh, I have two, but I have one.
Put him in the
Whoa,
put him in the thing. Don't let him escape. Okay, get another one. You are too funny.
Can you like leave him over to me?
Yeah, where's that thing? Okay.
Yes.
You got him! Is it the black one? No.
I wish.
Totally cool. Look at how big. Okay, click.
Oh, he's nibbling
There
on
we
me.
go.
Oh, no, I got him again. I
You
got him again.
again. Now look up. Say, hey. You got your fish. Good job.
Don't
Okay.
flop out.
What?
Don't
No,
flop.
no, no.
Oh.
Oh, God.
I had a black one, but I didn't have the... Oh, the black one was going right under me.